Good morning.
Good morning from the adventure spot. We're at Hershey Chocolate World.
Can you tell?
In Hershey, Pennsylvania. This is another section of the Hershey Park area.
It's kind of Hershey chocolate. I don't know. It's very weird. This is the town that chocolate built.
Right. But we're going to be going on a Hershey's chocolate tour that goes over the history of, I guess, Hershey and how the chocolate's made.
I don't know. We have no idea.
But we'll take you along.
Back.
Yeah, we'll take you along. So. It's a nice area here. A lot of obviously Hershey's related items that goes through the history of Hershey, timeline. This is a nice little, history, but if you actually wanted to read it, you would have to. This is for, like I said, the queue's really long.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans in large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod.
Roasting. Getting toasty. Getting toasty.
Oh yeah.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Hey!
Is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks.
The tried and true simplicity of Hershey's authenticity go hand in hand in hand as smooth as silk.
We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These conchu machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conchu process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dog bars.
Hey, don't forget Reese's peanut butter cups.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
We just got off the Hershey's chocolate tour.
That was so much fun.
That was fun and educational
was
too.
adorable.
Yeah.
I will say though, the cacao beans looked like chocolate jelly bellies glued in place.
I didn't notice that, but it goes through the history of just how they make chocolate.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess there's no history. I mean,
It's
just
more
basically
the manufacturing process, but it's really cute. The effects are great. It's fun for all ages.
Yeah, the characters are neat. And,
at one point, they have the nice smells wafting through.
And there's a dryer where you
get roasted.
Yeah, so a lot of fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
It was fun.
And it's free too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Free. Come early.
Yeah, definitely.
Come very early.
Yeah, when we got off, there was a long line. So.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna take the tour of the store here. Oh yeah, plus you get a free.
I mean, when
mini
else do
bar
you
of
get to
chocolate.
have chocolate for breakfast?
This is a huge building with a lot of different things. This is like the food court area. Hershey's milkshakes, Hershey's workshop. A lot of different merchandise here. Some jigsaw puzzles, mugs, some mini cars. Oh, pink lemonade Twizzlers.
They're filled.
Oh.
Orange cream. Sour.
Oh, there's the different flavors. I think we'll be coming back afterwards, but yeah, birthday cake, cookies and mint, salted caramel, strawberries and cream, cotton candy.
Ice cream cone.
Ooh. This is definitely something you can't pick up at the local grocery store. Chocolate frosted donut Kit Kats.
They even have plant-based for those who are vegan.
Nice. Here's all the different types of Hershey's Kisses. You got cafe mocha, hazelnut, strawberry, chocolate truffle. I wish they had it like in a sort, like a variety pack. You know, just you try a little bit of everything. Would be nice. A lot of sweatshirts and t-shirts. How much are they?
$30 for a t-shirt.
This is $54.95 for a...
Which is actually about average.
Yeah. Some nice, like, classic t-shirts here. All in all, it's a neat place, isn't it?
It is. I'm here with my friends. We have Kiss, we have Hershey's chocolate, and we have Jonathan's friend, Reese's.
What's your friend, the Hershey's? The Kisses or the Hershey's?
Hi. So yesterday when we were at Hershey Park, by the end of the day my knees were done, but we knew we wanted to get some stuff from the Hershey's Chocolate World. It's on the side of the bag, I had to read it. And we had been in earlier, we did the little ride, 2 thumbs up. You got to do it, especially if you have littles. But we both knew there was stuff we wanted to get and try. So Jonathan, being a prince among men, went in and got some stuff. And I don't know what he got. So we're going to do a little Hershey's unbagging. I'm reaching in blind, and I am pulling out, it's pink. What do we have here? Strawberry ice cream cone kisses. Okay, we saw those and they looked amazing. Oh, Twizzlers. The orange cream pop. I saw those. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, first of all, I'm a Twizzlers addict because Twizzlers make mouths happy. And the orange cream seemed really good. Ooh, what is this? Kit Kat Lemon Crisp. I will admit, I did tell him to look for these. Not gonna lie, because A, Kit Kats are amazing, and B, it's lemon. I mean, come on, Lemon Crisp Kit Kats, it just sounds like it's meant to be. I don't know how much is in here, so. Reese's
something
medals.
Different. Yeah, I've never seen
Okay,
this
so
before,
I'm excited about that though, because that might have the exact accurate pumpkin to chocolate ratio. I am a huge fan
Peanut butter
of
chocolate, yeah.
what did I say?
Pumpkin.
Yeah,
'Cause
I'm
those are
a huge fan
favorites,
of the
yeah.
pumpkins and the Christmas trees because that peanut butter to chocolate ratio. So these might actually be really good. And aren't we coming up on an Olympic year?
Yeah, that's probably why.
Okay, what do we have here? Chocolate frosted donut Kit Kats. I mean, come on, a chocolate donut, you know, with a, we have Hershey's Milk-alicious milk chocolate with creamy milk chocolate filling. So I'm not sure what milk chocolate filled with milk chocolate tastes like, but we're gonna find out. Man, that's a pile of sugar right there. Hershey's salted caramel.
I know you like salted caramel.
I like salted caramel. Okay, do you say caramel or caramel? Put it in the comments. That's our controversy for the day. Ooh, strawberries and cream. I bet I know who wanted that one. Oh, this one was picked for me. This is cookies and mint. I am mint chocolate chip all the way. And let's see, is that it? Did I miss anything? Oh, just the receipt, and I don't want to look at that. So there you have it. A little bit, and I do mean a little bit. That's like 0.0000001% of all of the options in that store.
Yeah, that right there was about $30.
So, but
crazy,
if you've been and you bought something that we didn't get and it was really good, let us know.
Thanks for watching.